Hello students, welcome back to my channel Words and Number. In this video, we will solve a word problem using linear equations in one variable. So let's start. First of all, we will read the question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result obtained is 3 times the same number. Find the number. So let's start. Let the number that Amina thinks will be x. Now in the question it is given that Amina thinks of a number and then she subtracts by 5 over 2. So we will subtract 5 over 2 from x. Next it is given that she multiplies the result by 8. Now we will multiply this expression by 8. So it becomes 8x minus 5 over 2. Now according to the question, the result obtained is 3 times the same number. So now our equation will be 8x minus 5 over 2 is equal to 3x. Why 3x? Because here it is written in the question the result is 3 times the same number. Now we will solve the equation. First we will open this bracket. So 8 times x, 8x minus 8 times 5, 40 over 2. It will cut down. So the equation will become 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. Now we will bring the variables to one side and number to the other side. So the equation will become 8x minus 3x. Why 3x? Because when we shift the positive 3x to here, it will change to the negative, and when we shift negative 20 to this side, it will become positive. So our equation is 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. 8 minus 3 becomes 5. It becomes 5x is equal to 20. Now divide both sides by 5. Both 5 will cancel out. So the value of x will be 4. So this is the answer. The another example is a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. What are the numbers? First of all, we will see what is given in the question. There is two positive number and one number is 5 times the another number. And if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. Now let's solve it. First of all, assume smaller number is equal to x and other number is equal to 5x. Why 5x? Because here it is written in the question that a number is 5 times another number. Now we will add 21 to both the numbers, because here it is mentioned if 21 is added to both the numbers. So the numbers become x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now we will form the equation. Here it is written that if one of the new numbers become twice the other new number, so the equation will become 5x plus 21 is equal to twice x plus 21. Now we will first open up this bracket. 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 2 times 21, 42. Now we will bring variables to one side and numbers to the other side. So 5x minus 2x, y minus 2x, because when we shift the positive 2x to the left hand side, it will become negative, and is equal to 42 minus 21. We shift positive 21 to this side, it will become negative. 5 minus 2, 3x, is equal to 42 minus 21 is equal to 21. Now we will divide both sides by 3. Both 3 cancelled out, and the value of x is equal to 7. Now we will find the numbers. Smaller number is equal to 7 and other number is equal to 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Now last step is that we will do verification. What we will do, we will add 21 to both the numbers. So 35 plus 21 is equal to 56. 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. Now we will see 56 is twice the 28, means that here it is written the new number is twice the other new number. So twice of 28 is 56, hence the condition is proved.